thank you very much for joining us. I was hoping you could introduce yourself and tell our listeners a little bit about yourself to start us off.
Thank you, Daniel. Good morning, everybody. Thank you very much for having me. I'm really excited to be here. My name is Suphil Philipose, and I'm the founder of a company called BioTurm.co.uk. We set up shop about a year and a half ago. We are in the process of getting some natural solutions out there for people suffering with various chronic diseases. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to get the message across, Daniel.
Well, tell us a little bit more about that message and the area you wanted to specifically focus on.
One of the reasons that our extract was approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration is because we have a curcumin supplement that has proven to work in the body for more than 8 hours. Okay, now what curcumin, as we know it, is the most potent natural anti-inflammatory planet on the planet, natural anti-inflammatory compound on the planet. Inflammation, chronic inflammation, is the root cause of many chronic diseases as we know it. It helps prevent diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, diabetes. So it's absolutely fascinating. It really is.
So it's something you're still kind of learning about its potentials?
Yes, we personally have conducted human trials on rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, depression, and most importantly Alzheimer's, and studies on cancer prevention. In 2012, we've done a study where we conducted a randomized clinical trial where it showed that it reduced joint pain, swelling in patients with arthritis, better than diclofenac, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. We've done 2 studies for people suffering with major depressive disorder and found that it was actually equal to prescription drugs currently available on offer. Last but not the least, we've also done the study on Alzheimer's. It was only a small study for 6 months, along with Professor Ralph Martins, a recognized world leader in Alzheimer's research, along with the University of Hong Kong, and found that a very small dose of curcumin did not progress the amyloid plaque buildup of Alzheimer's, which is the precursor to Alzheimer's. However, it's really important to realize, to get the best results, you need an active lifestyle, supplemented with a diet that is inducing ketosis, and also what we call intermittent fasting now. But I come from a school of medicine called Ayurveda, we've been practicing this in India for more than 6,000 years. So these are the 3 hallmarks of Ayurveda: food as your medicine, active lifestyle, which comes into exercise, that's where yoga comes in, and also intermittent fasting. Yes.
So it is a combination of eating, lifestyle along with this?
Correct. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, people suffering with all these conditions, you will have the benefits of having turmeric, but to get optimum results, you need a combination. To take it as a magic pill is a wrong way to go about it. Given the opportunity to give an advice, I would say it's best to have an active lifestyle supplemented with a fantastic turmeric supplement, and then meditate.
So was there anything else you'd like to cover or get over to our listeners that you've not yet covered?
Yes. Arthritis is one of the most common conditions in the UK, and as I said, more than 10 million people affected. There is a strong argument to be made, Daniel, that we need more awareness campaigns so that people are aware. Because of the huge numbers of people affected by it, there needs to be an awareness campaign that there are natural solutions out there without paying for it. It actually, it doesn't cost anything to do fasting. It doesn't cost you anything to have a healthy lifestyle. It doesn't cost you anything to have a healthy diet. You just need to, natural solutions are out there. And if people know about it, we're only helping each other.
So if our listeners would like to find out a little bit more, how can they do that?
Daniel, you can find more information about this on our website. It's called bioturm.co.uk. That's BIO, that's bio, and TURM, that's TURM for turmeric. We also just partner with Amazon, and we're also in consultation with all the major supermarkets. So watch the space.
Well, I'd like to thank you very much for taking the time out to talk to me today.
Thank you for having me, Daniel.